time to interview people here, and here's our first victim, Jonathan Kicker from Kingston, Pennsylvania. And
Mama, that was
did you do something embarrassing here? No?
the video?
Yeah, video. Brother Howland.
That was our most embarrassing
We screwed up. It was very embarrassing, but we're cool, so we don't have to worry about it.
That was my most embarrassing moment, that video.
I bet it was.
I'm sorry, Ruby. No, it was a cool movie.
Thank you.
Did you film that? Yeah. Don't waste all the film. This is the staff going to a staff meeting when they're late to it.
I'm not going near Aaron.
Hi guys.
I'm joining you to piercing Aaron.
Brian and Toby.
Lance, turn around. You're on the camera. You're facing your back.
Wait, are they
I love
going
you,
right now?
Jeff.
Are you? Wait, we gotta watch him pierce through here. We gotta watch him pierce Aaron's ear.
No, we're not gonna stand around and watch.
No.
We are not gonna stand around and watch.
Come on.
Oh my God.
Come on.
Oh my God. Get that camera away from
They're
me.
piercing Aaron's ear right now.
Oh, who am I stepping on?
This is Aaron Perlman, and we're
No, not yet. I'm not ready.
They're gonna pierce Aaron Perlman's ear.
Damn horses!
No, not yet. It's not fucking. Yes.
Hey, wait.
Hey.
Watch your language, we're on tape!
You want to hurt more?
I'm going to
All right.
Hey,
This is very tense. This is a very tense moment, ladies and gentlemen. Aaron Perlman is going through his first time piercing his ear. His first time.
Gold?
first time.
It's a pearl.
Everyone
No, it needs to
Here we
be
go.
gold. Hold
Wait
his
a minute,
hand.
Ian. It's not a real.
Did you
Venus
sterilize
will not turn
that?
away.
Yes.
It's gotta
All
be gold.
Yes. If you'll notice, Jeremy, Jeff, if you'll notice, this safety pin
Is that
was
gold? Is that a gold
sterilized.
earring?
No.
Do you have any gold earrings?
You need a gold one.
This was sterilized.
You need a gold
I
stud.
don't have any.
This
Here
was
comes the
sterilized
dean
with my
of
own
that
lighter.
Get that away, Ian. Yeah, so the mentality of Ian.
It is now
Yes.
sterilized perfectly.
That's great.
Wait, I want to film
Shut
this.
up, wanker.
Wait, you can do it now.
Now we're gonna wipe the.
It's not only good for sterilizing. Nope.
It's enough. Tell me, feel my ear before you do it. Get on.
Miss the pin for a minute. You're gonna hurt him.
Fine. Peter will start yelling at you, and I don't think you'll be too happy.
You're not letting. You're not letting.
All right, you ready?
What are you doing? It's Otto. What are you
Yeah,
doing?
Ian, let me start
What are you
it.
doing?
Let me
Hal.
Yeah. You started all poking.
My man, right here. Hal.
Zoom. I'm zooming.
This is Zoom right here.
Go. Are you gonna bring the earring? Wait, hold the
What are you doing?
No, you can't. Someone come hold my hand. It doesn't need to be you.
Wait, get out. You're in the middle.
I haven't got time.
Shut your mouth.
Why don't you shut up?
Go
Ian?
away.
No,
Ian,
no.
stop yelling, please.
No, you're the one who has to leave. We're bored of you already.
No. Stop.
I'm breaking the skin.
Yeah, you have.
Yeah, he's doing it.
Hold this.
This is zoom action shot here, ladies and gentlemen.
This, ladies.
Right in here.
You put it through right now. He's gonna bleed. Say that.
No, he won't.
Hey, get your hand out of the way.
Chill. You can't
Ian,
do it
get the
that
fuck
hard.
away. What the hell?
I did,
swear.
Jeremy. Yeah, but that
And
was in
Jeremy
there for a
sat
while.
there making dents in my hand with his hand.
Yeah.
Oh!
It's more bro now.
What?
Look at his face. Move your hand, Ian.
I don't believe
Look at
that.
the.
Ladies and gentlemen, they're letting Ian
Ready?
take
Out,
over.
out. Are you ready? Just work it in, Ian.
Yeah, they're obviously demented.
It's in.
Ooh.
Did that hurt? Yes.
Are you okay?
Ladies and gentlemen, Jeff, report to us.
Ow, you're poking my
This is
my
incredible,
fucking
ladies and
head.
gentlemen. The first ever on camera
Pull it out,
ear
pull it
piercing.
out.
No.
Aaron, Ian, Meredith.
Ow.
This is
Ready
incredible.
with the earring.
And this is the ice. This is the ice that they used.
Ready?
This is incredible.
Wait, I'm zooming up.
Go.
I'm what?
Before it closes. Touch the back. I got it.
Wait, there are too many people.
Shit. Oh shit! She's making you pay.
Get it? I heard it.
Ooh.
Oh my god, you're
Yeah.
That's too cool.
Aaron, you get to see this after it's done.
Oh. Does it hurt? Like how?
That hurts. Ow.
Ow, stop it.
Get out, Jeff, get out.
Use the pin.
I got it.
This is real surgery.
Good day.
Cut.
Ice is here.
I'm gonna puke.
Before you put the mask on.
Puke, who said that?
Alright, here it is, here it is. Live. This is how we make phone calls. That clock. Oh, the door. Oh, there we go. Whoa.
Who are we calling, Amy?
My mother.
Hi, Mom.
The dialing process. Please be quiet. Do not try this at home.
Do not try this.
Especially if you have push button.
You're not gonna record the credit card number.
This?
Oh yeah.
Okay, okay.
Get up close for the
Alright,
credit
we're
card.
gonna. Here we are on the other phone. The one, the most unpopular of the two.
Serious discussion.
Rachel.
Rachel, who are you
can I
talking
touch
to?
your
My father.
Rachel, how do you feel to be on film? What's your
Oh,
father?
I'm just great. Daddy, we're on the video camera right now.
What does your father have to say?
My father has, what would you like to say?
Let's take a look.
Hi, everybody.
This is the staff lounge through a screen. Pretty neat, huh? Okay, let's.
No, Siri, come back in. We want you
Siri, who
to look pretty.
looks sort of like Michelle Skolnick.
Hi. Now say, here, let's do how we were gonna do. Hi. Wait, you guys no, do it. Go ahead. Hi, my name is Sherry Levinson, and I'm from.
You want to get some?
Will you please? Oh, hi. No.
Hi, my name is
Wendy Shanker.
and I'm from.
She's Jewish, she's
Hold
Canadian,
on, camera.
and
Go
she's
to
a Jew.
hell. You're famous.
Iris, come on.
Jeremy, I
Iris,
hate
who
this
refused to
guy.
interview earlier.
First round to try
Come on,
to
Iris.
play.
Iris, turn around. Just talk to the camera. Iris, Iris.
Maybe. Jack, go. Okay, now say hi to Amy Epstein.
Amy Epstein. Camera shy. She hates cameras. Maybe they hate you. No, just kidding. All right, let's go. Josh, what do you have to say, Josh? Ooh, bump.
How's it going?
Pretty good.
That's really profound. Now.
Come on.
No, I must say that you want me to say something about Kalaf?
Yeah. How'd you enjoy Mora Shade?
I thought it was awesome. I liked it a lot. I thought it was gonna be like really stupid, and then it like broke a lot of stereotypes for me.
And on the same note, what'd you have for lunch?
What I had for lunch? Too much because I got real sick.
Oh
Hey,
yeah.
it's my
memory
Josh.
for-
Josh.
Great.
Just got blasted.
Dave is a faggot. Look what Dave did. He's a faggot. What are you making that for?
Look at my
For
lollipop.
your benefit and the
Our
benefit of
benefit.
starving children around the world.
Starving children. Jeffrey, I got a present for you. Lifesaver lollipop. Favorite thing of all collab participants. You want it? You want it? No. Okay, wait, read Deb's shirt. Everybody, that's why they call me today. They call me today.
And luckily your chest isn't getting in the way.
Chest isn't